So right now, if this is not the original anchor capstan that was on the boat, this is a second one. The original brand was called Ideal. This brand is called Maxwell. Both are good brands, but this is not installed properly because you cannot pull the chain up and feed it down into that hole. Chain has to come up and feed down inside this hole, but the chain and the shackle will not transition and go down into that hole. So we've got to see if we can do something with some magic and some tools in a little bit, see how we can figure that out.
I don't have what you're looking for. These are your choices.
Okay, so what we're talking about is the way this Maxwell capstan is built. The rope comes on the rope drum, the chain comes on the chain sprocket, or the gypsy. It's supposed to feed down this chute. See how this chute's got a 90-degree angle? It's supposed to feed down that chute, and then it's supposed to go through that pipe, that white pipe that's in there, and then that goes down into the rope locker inside the forward cabin, the V-berth.
So they don't have this hooked up correctly.
They don't have it hooked up correctly. So what's wrong with it, and it's an easy fix, but it's not going to get fixed today. What we need to do is we need to cut the rope right here and take that shackle off and do a chain to rope splice, so that we're going to take the shackle out of the system and we'll take this big fat rope out of the system, and then it should feed down there. But I can talk to you and talk to your buddy Russ and see how to do that and see what they want to do to make it work. Right now it's more labor. It's just not that much fun. It'll work fine the way it is, it's just not that much fun. So we'll see about getting it fixed.